Hello, little stars. Welcome back to Mom and Me Fun Factory. Today, we have a fun story to read together. Are you excited to listen and learn new words?
Yes, Mom, I love stories. Let's begin our reading adventure.
Today's story name is The Gingerbread Train to the North Pole. Ding dong! The special train is here. It is made of yummy gingerbread. The engine is big and red. It smells like sweet peppermint. The engine is ready to go. This is the Gingerbread Express. Who is waiting to ride? It is Jolly Santa. All aboard, shouts the the conductor. The engine starts to glow with magic. Chug chug, the train goes fast. Where is it going? To the cold North Pole. Whoosh! The train stops. Hello, elves, Noel and Yule. They are waiting at the workshop. It is time to load the happy presents. They are stacked up high. Elf Yule lifts the toys. Up and over they go. So many toys for girls and boys. Big white snowflakes fall down. The train is all loaded. Santa is ready for his big night. The elves and conductor wave goodbye. Christmas morning is near. Everyone shouts, Merry Christmas! That was a wonderful story. I loved reading with you today. Remember, every day is a new chance to discover more words and stories.
Thank you, friends. Keep reading and smiling. Bye. See you next time. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe so you don't miss our next video. Bye.
Bye bye.